Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Renato Lico Riquistas, professionally known as Rene Riquistas, was a Filipino actor, comedian, and politician. Riquistas was one of the top Filipino comedians of the late 1980s up to the early 1990s. Riquistas was known for his sidekick roles alongside other comedy actors such as Joey De Leon and his pairing with Chris Aquino in romantic comedies, as well as his distinctive gaunt, toothless appearance. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Rene Riquistas was born on January 22, 1957 in Tondo, Manila. He was a struggling theater actor prior to his career in TV shows and movies. Affected by poverty in his early life, he became a construction worker while also looking for jobs in acting. Ang maagang paglabas ni Riquistas sa mga pelikula ay binubuo ng maliliit na incidental roles sa mga drama gaya ng Ikaw Ay Akin noong 1978 at Pabling noong 1981. Mula 1987 hanggang 1988, siya ay naging miyembro ng cast ng stage play na WIS or Walang Ibig Sabihin sa Manila Metropolitan Theater. Kasama ang kritiko na si Mike Feria na binanggit ang kanyang pagkahilig sa adlib. Makakatanggap siya ng mga pansuportang tungkulin sa mga pelikulang komedya na nagsisimula sa Sheman, Mistress of the Universe noong September of 1988. Ang kanyang pagganap sa Smith and Wesson bilang ang bubbling kontrabida na nagngangalang Don Johnson Wax ay pinuri ng kritikong si Lai Diaz na itinuturing siyang natural na talento sa komedya. Si Maricel Soriano na nakipagtulungan kay Riquistas sa pelikulang Leon at Tigre ay nagpapahayag na hindi tulad ng iba pang mga lead actor na nakatrabaho niya sa mga komedya, siya ay karaniwang tahimik at mag-isa sa set. Riquistas once remarked that the film he does is largely for his mother, stating that she is already old and I need to be sure that everything is for her. I don't want her to experience any more hardships at her age. Noong 1991, naghain si Riquistas ng kanyang kandidatura para sa konsehal ng 2nd Lone District ng Taguig sa ilalim ng party ticket ni Dr. Loida Labao ng Laban ng Demokratikong Pilipino para sa 1992 elections at kalaunan ay nanalo. He declared on July 4, 1992, after almost 4 weeks of canvassing votes. He placed second among 46 other candidates and got 20,909 votes, and he was sworn in as Taguig Councilor on July 6, 1992 until his death on July 24, 1993. In 1989, Riquistas expressed his wish to attend college in order to set an example for his siblings. Later that year, Riquistas adopted a daughter and named her Darren Chrisney, taken from his and Chris Aquino's name. She was born on November 11, 1989 to Riquistas' distant relatives, but due to their difficulty in raising numerous children, Riquistas decided to adopt the child as his own. Riquistas died on July 24, 1993 at the age of 36 due to tuberculosis and complications brought about by alcohol abuse and smoking. He was buried in Manila Memorial Park in Parañaque. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Mahatma Gandhi, they cannot take away our self-respect if we do not give it to them.